Welcome to Ucode. In this tutorial, we'll walk through configuring the Field Autofill function in Ucode. By the end of this session, we'll understand how to connect tables, configure autofill fields, and simplify workflows. We'll also explain the logic behind each step to ensure you grasp why and how autofill works. Let's get started. So if we start our video guide, we need two tables to demonstrate how autofill works. As we can see here, already created two tables, namely orders, shipping information. First table will be our source table where we store key order details. When we go to first table, we can see following fields with some example datas. Order number, for example, unique values like 101, 102 and so on. Shipping address, for example, Uzbekistan, USA and so on. And last will be shipping method, for example fast, express and others. Explanation for this will be the orders table serves as the source of truth for specific information. This is where all key data, such as shipping address or order numbers, are initially stored. These fields will later be referenced in other tables using relation and autofill, ensuring data consistency across our system. Next, go to already created second table, namely shipping information. In this table we'll store details about where and how orders are shipped. Add the following fields. Order number field is already here because relation between two tables is already created. By the way, if you do not know how to create relation, you can go to our relation create video tutorial and learn how to create relation. Now, we need to add shipping address field. Next field will be shipping method. Explanation to our actions will be the shipping information table relies on data from the orders table. The order number field acts as a relation field, connecting these two tables. This enables we to reference and pull specific data from the source table into the target table. In the shipping information table, go to setting and then relation section. Once we are in the relation section, we can see there is one already created relation. Which second table made a relation to first table. So then go to field section, then we can see the created field list. Go to shipping address field edit, and then go to the autofill tab. Here, we'll configure how data from the orders table should autofill fields in the shipping information table. To the first input field, select the source table from which data will be pulled. Choose orders in our example. Next, map to the second input field and choose shipping address field from the orders table to the corresponding shipping address field in the shipping information table. Click Save to apply the changes. Then let's add one more autofill function to our second table for shipping method field. Click Field Edit button and then go to Autofill tab. After action, again select the source table from which data will be pulled. Choose orders in our example. Then, again navigate to the second input field and choose shipping method field from the orders table to the corresponding shipping method field in the shipping information table. Click Save to apply the update. The autofill function works by leveraging the relations between tables. The order number serves as a key identifier that links the two tables. When we select an order number in the target table, autofill function looks up the corresponding row in the source table and automatically populates related fields. This reduces manual data entry errors and ensures consistency. Go back to the shipping information table and toggle the All Fields from Columns Advanced Table Setup section. Then, click the plus Add Object button. In the relation field for order number, select an existing order number, let's say, 101. Observe how the autofill works. The shipping address and shipping method fields will be automatically populated based on the data in the source table. So, as an example, we will take second option, which is order number, 102. Shipping address, USA. Shipping method, fast. Save item and we can see in the table. To be sure about autofill, let's do third, which will our last example to comprehend. For instance, we will take last option, which is order number, 103. Shipping address, France. Shipping method, express. So, save and we can see this all created item by using autofill function in the table. When we select an order number, autofill function queries the source table, orders, and retrieves the associated data. The mapped fields, for example, shipping address, are populated automatically based on the configuration we set in the autofill settings. This creates a seamless workflow between related tables. And there we have it. We've successfully learned how to configure and test the field autofill feature in Ucode. This functionality enhances productivity by eliminating repetitive data entry tasks, ensuring consistency, and maintaining data accuracy across related tables. Explore our other tutorials to unlock more powerful features of Ucode. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.